mhlawumbe kumele siyikhuze nalento yabantu abasemebebhorekile babhoreke emagameni ama-legends. Baningi abaculi bokudlala, baningi abafethu abaculi and ngingathi uma nibhorekele bona, but not ama-legend or Elvovo. Because right now abantu bakhuluma noMintoni under ama-poster elwa muntu ozeze u-Elvovo. But anyway, kusekhona yazichazela.
Sanibonani bantu baseMzansi. Kunento encane nje engicela ukuyindlulisa. I'm not on Twitter. I'm still fighting my recovery. So whoever is trying to get popularity nge-account yami on X, I'm not. And I support ukuthi undocumented people should leave our country. And I'm not on Twitter. I repeat, I'm not on Twitter. The last time I posted on Twitter, that was 2020, if I remember very well. So I support ukuthi abantu abangenawo amaphepha afanele ukuba la ezweni lethu mabahambe. Elvovo Tirango. Yebo phela.